Hi, I'm Connie with Free Motion by the River, and I hope you're enjoying seeing what is in the Advent boxes for 2025 this year. Like I said, this is the one from Soft Squares, and this is from Missouri Star Quilt Company. I have two more that I'll be sharing, but they are 12-day ones. It's another box from Soft Squares, and then Bella Rose I should be receiving one from them pretty soon, and I'll share both of them. So, okay. Day 10. This is day 10. Fabric. Never have too much fabric. Let's see. Day 10. Here are 2 yards of white fabric. The color is Cloud by Riley Blake Designs. Confetti cotton line. That is beautiful. There's 2 yards. And I have to say, I bought the box last year, and I don't think I've used my fabric yet from it. So I will add this. Sure, I've got it somewhere. We'll find it, but you can always use white. I love white. Okay, box 10 from Missouri Star Quilt Company. What a neat box. Oops, and it's heavy. Ooh, a barn door or a barn quilt. Oh, that is pretty. The wood, and there's a way to hang it. Let's see. Oh, the quilty caricature board. See how they show it? With cheese and sausages and everything on it. Put it out. I think it's going to go on my wall in my quilt studio. And I might even try to paint that. Wouldn't that be cute? Let's see. So that is really pretty. So what do you think of that? What do you think of day 10 of the Advent calendars? I hope you enjoyed seeing them, and you'll subscribe and follow me to see the rest of the days. Tomorrow will be day 11. Thank you.